Starting off with earn by time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and we got our first order. This is going to be a Black Rock coffee going just under 4 miles. Hello. Good, you?
DoorDash?
Yeah.
Awesome. How's it going?
You too. Total for that order was $8. Going back to Black Rock Coffee, this one is going 2.5 miles.
There you go, man.
Thank you.
Of course, have a good one, man.
You too. Total for that order was $7. Next up, we've got an Angels. This one is $7 and change, going just under 5 miles.
How you been?
Good, you?
Good. Make sure you stay dry.
I'll try.
Take care.
Yep, you too. Oh, I just realized this is a meet at door. First of all, why? It's so early. Pretty sure everyone in your house is asleep, so I don't know if you want me ringing that doorbell. Second of all, why? Or just don't show any signs of life at all. That works for me, as long as I get the full tip. Oh, come on, bro. This next order is very, very cringe. This one's going back to Angels, but this one is going across the river. I think it said it was going about 9 miles. And because it is going across the river, gotta double it. Whoa.
2 in 1 day, huh?
Yeah, right.
Take care.
Thank you. This is such a terrible order. Unless there's like a $20 tip, this is such a waste of time. It says group home, please ring doorbell, and then hand to the nurse. Hello.
Hi.
There you are.
Thank you.
Yep. Have a good day. Total for that was $15. Still not worth it, to be honest. Now I gotta drive all the way back. Been sitting around for a while, but finally got the next order. This is a Jack in the Box, $11, going 5 miles.
Have a good day.
Me too. I just love it when they prioritize all the drive-thru orders first. I want to say they took 3, maybe 4 orders before me. Man, I don't know why it's so slow today. I'm just sitting and sitting and sitting. But we finally got the next order. This one is a Voodoo Donut going 4.5 miles. Thank you. Okay. You too. Ooh, good tip on that one. Total ended up being $10. That was probably the best order we've had today so far. Been waiting yet again, but we finally got the next order. This one is a Starbucks, $7, going 1.5 miles.
There you go.
Thank you.
It's in an old Applebee's location. Yeah.
I swear, I spent most of today just sitting here waiting. Finally got the next order. This is a Voodoo Donut, $8, going 6.5 miles.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You as well. Next up, we've got a stack. This is going to 2 different people. We've got El Jefe, Birria and Tacos, and I think Burgerville. $14, going just under 7 miles. Hello.
It's already.
Oh, your order's almost ready, by the way. Yeah, let me just stand in the frickin' rain for 10 minutes.
All right, turn that heater on in your car.
This would be upstairs. Of course, it's upstairs. Because it's always upstairs. I am soaking wet. I am peed off. I don't care that I made no money today. I mean, I do, but like, I just want to go home and shower. This is ridiculous, to be honest. Current time is 10:08. Current total is 77, and we're waiting on the tips for those last 2 orders, which should bring it up to, I think, 88, maybe 89, maybe 90. I don't know. Today has been completely awful, terrible, everything. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.